Hello everyone, my name is Julio Rocha and I'll be presenting the following topic titled Why So Many Pakistanis Own Guns. Let's start off with a little bit of profile or background in Pakistan. Pakistan, which is officially called the Islamic Republic, is a country located in South Asia. It is surrounded by India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran. For more than 7 decades, it has been involved in several political and territorial conflicts with India. This has made this country one of the most dangerous to live in. The intense violence to which Pakistanis go through has forced them to find alternate ways to defend themselves from terrorist groups like ISIS, Taliban, and in-house rebels. Statistics found in the gunpolicy.org website revealed that as of 2017, Pakistani civilians own close to 43.9 million firearms, both licit and illicit. This is the reason why Pakistan ranks number 4 among the top 25 countries with highest gun ownership around the world. The top 3 are the United States with 393.3 million firearms, India with 71.1 million, and China with 49.7 million. To put things in better perspective, we can say that 22.3 out of 100 Pakistani civilians own a weapon. But the question is, why are Pakistanis allowed to own guns? An article published by the Wall Street Journal and written by Peter Wanacott tells the story of a Pakistani named Mohammed Javed Afridi, who, as several other civilians, became victims of kidnapping and terrorism. After 25 days of being kidnapped, he was able to escape. Unfortunately, the only thing the police could do to keep him safe after that was to allow him to arm himself against future abductions. Mr. Afridi now owns an automatic assault rifle, better known as AK-47, which he brings to work every day. To simply answer the introductory question as to why Pakistanis own guns, the answer is people buy weapons because they feel insecure, so they use them as self-defense. An interesting fact is that the majority of the guns are owned by middle-class citizens. Teachers are also encouraged to use guns to protect themselves. Now, in respect to licensing, registering, and ground rules, guns in Pakistan are regulated by the government, the Prime Minister, the Ministry of Defense, Production, and the police. Private possession of fully and semi-automated weapons is prohibited except for a few exceptions. Pistols, revolvers, and shotguns are permitted under license. Citizens are not required to provide a reason to possess a firearm. Licensed owners can possess any number of weapons and ammunition. Private guns are prohibited in educational institutions, hostels, fairs, political, religious, ceremonial, or sectarian gatherings, courts of law, and public offices. This is better known as the gun-free zone. The maximum penalty for possessing an illicit gun is up to 7 years in prison. Interesting fact is that despite gun regulations, most licenses are fake based on forged documents and through government corruption or connections. How and where do Pakistanis get their guns? Pakistanis get their guns from local markets like the one found in Dara Adam Khel, which is a town in Pakistan. In this place, there are small shops along one main street where you can find handcrafted guns with manufacturing techniques passed from father to son or from generation to generation. It is known as the gun factory of the tribal areas. Here is a work cited for my presentation. And this is it for my whole presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them on the discussion board and I'll do my best to answer every one of them. Thanks for visiting my post, and that'll be it.